Good evening. Today, as you can see, Nifty has fallen 2.7% and Bank Nifty has fallen almost 3.6%. And if we can see over here today in long build up, there was only ONGC, Indigo, Godrej Properties, and TCS. Whereas in short build up, we saw NMDC, PEL, PVR. They were the topmost losers today. And if we can see on the options chain, we can see that the max pain has shifted from 11,600 to 11,500. So going forward, 11,500 would be a resistance point, but max pain is the level where option writers suffer the least amount of loss. So there's a chance that we can trade up higher in this week, but we would have to see what happens tomorrow. And the main issue is tomorrow is Tuesday, and tomorrow a new monthly candle open will start. That is, tomorrow September candle would be opened over here. And if we see today being Monday and start of the new week, today we opened around 11,000, almost 11,780. So we opened at 11,780 and we have closed around 11,400 levels. So the weekly candle is, if you can see over here, is currently red, and tomorrow it would depend, new monthly candle will start. So if tomorrow market opens say gap up, then there's a probability that market can move sideways to slightly up. But if market opens flat, then there is a chance that we can move down. And in that scenario, the downside is limited to 11,242, which is also 161% Fibonacci extension of previous week. Below 11,410, it could potentially reach 11,242 on the downside. So in that scenario, what will happen is that we would have a new month uh, below 11,400. Say for example, tomorrow we open at say 11,400. So if we price starts to move down below 11,400, then in that scenario monthly candle would be red, and we can already see that weekly is red. And likelihood when market would be trending down tomorrow, then daily candle would also be red. So in that scenario we would have time frame synchronization. All the major time frames, monthly, weekly and daily, they would be bearish, as they would be it would be a red candle on all the time frames continuously. That's my analysis for Nifty. And we can see over here the option straddles. Today market opened almost around 11,780. So today all 11 till 11,800 to 11,500, all the strikes, they straddles, they rose today. And 11, from 11,450 to 11,000, straddles are falling. That's obvious because market is going down. So in the morning it was an indication itself that since we gapped up, and today let's see, today when we opened, at 11,777. After that we closed around 11,752. So in the morning itself we had a 1 hour opening range breakout and market kept on trending down. So As you can see over here, from the morning itself, from 11,750 level itself, one would have known that the trend is down based on hourly charts. If you follow opening range breakout strategies on hourly time frames, then you would have been on the right side most probably. And in that scenario, you can see over here from 11,700, if you would have taken say 11,800 at that point of time, 11,800 straddle, it would have given you a good trending move today. And VIX has also risen today. That is obvious because market fell down. Here you can see today this straddle has risen from almost 200 to 460. So we always hear that option writers make money, but if you would have followed a simple opening range breakout strategy, and if you had taken at that point of time 11,800 at the money straddle and let it trailed it based on opening range, you could have the straddle basically today doubled, which is rare, but it also happens. All the time we hear stories about option writers winning most of the time, but on days like today, option writers usually suffer huge losses. And you can also see that over here. In the morning, as the market opened up, you can see along with price, open interest started decreasing. That means that longs were booking their profits, and around almost you can see over here from this time, this was around 11:15 I guess, and after that market actually, bears actually started piling up the shorts, but till that point of time it was around 11,500 levels. So till 11,500 levels today it was only profit booking, but after 11,500 you can see over here that bears were in charge, and rest everyone can see the price action overall. So for tomorrow, our stock list which I have chosen is basically comprising of today's top gainers, top 3 gainers and top 3 losers. Today ONGC, Indigo and Godrej Property, they were among the top gainers, so we would be trading them tomorrow in the morning from 9:15 to 10. And on the from the top loser side, we have chosen NMDC, PEL, Pyramid Enterprises and PVR. So this is my watch list for tomorrow, which I would be trading.